If you want to make this sort of AI video for the kid, this video is for you. So let's get started. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So let's get into it. At first, you need 3 AI. Number 1, GPT. Number 2, Nano Banana or Google AI Studio. And number 3, you need the Envato. So at first, we'll go to the GPT. After going to the GPT, we'll write down this sort of prompt, make a short story about the little baby girl, firefly and the moon. And after that, here is provided GPT, the story, full story. And after that, make image generation prompt for the Nano Banana line by line. I provided that prompt and GPT provided me the line by line photo generation prompt. Now after that, I provided another prompt which is now make a video generation prompt for the story or according to the story. Video generation prompt is generated, and after that we'll provide another prompt which is make voiceover part in one paragraph. So first of all, we'll make photo, then video, then voiceover, and then background music. After that, we'll go to the edit part. Voiceover part. Yes, here the voiceover part is provided here line by line. Make the voiceover part in one paragraph. Now we'll take that voiceover part, meaning the narration part, to the Nano Banana. And again, another prompt in a GPT, make background music generation, make background music generation prompt. So GPT will provide the background music generation prompt according to this story. So our GPT part is done. Now we'll go to the next AI tool, which is the Google AI Studio. So going to the Google AI Studio. So first of all, we'll generate the voiceover. In this portion, we got the narrator parts or voiceover part. Selecting this, going to the Google AI Studio, going to the Gemini or Nano Banana, whatever. So select it, and then here if you go to there, the audio option, select over there, and here Gemini 2.5 flash preview over there, select the multiple, actually the single speaker, and select or paste that story over there, and from here select a voice, suppose this female voice. If you want, you can choose another voice or explore over there. I selected this voice, and after that hit the run button. After getting the audio format, we'll save it out in one directory. And after making the voiceover, we'll go to GPT again, because of we got here the image generation prompt like this. Here is 13 image generation prompt. Now we'll make the image. So it's taking a little bit of time. If you have the faster internet, you will get more fastest generation in this video.
In a quiet little village under a sky sprinkled with soft snow,
so here I got the image voiceover.
Who loved gazing at the moon. One night she noticed the moon looked dim, as if a piece of its light had gone missing. Just then, a warm golden firefly fluttered into her room.
So I'll save it out. Here is the download options. Here is my directory, project story, and here voiceover, and I save over there. And now I'll make the background music. So here is the background music prompt. We'll go to or select over there, going to the Envato elements. From here, going to the Envato element will generate the background music according to your story. So here number one, Envato will provide you 5 or 6 background music. You can choose one of them. So here another one. I like this because of this goes with my story, saving it out. Fine. Now again we'll go to the Nano Banana or Google AI Studio. Going over there, going to the image. Here is a Nano Banana options. Now we'll go to the image generation prompt. Suppose this one. Selecting this and Nano Banana, paste over there. Photo will generate. So here the Nano Banana provide this square shape. You have to provide here 16:9 and put the prompt again and hit the run button, because of you are making the rectangle video which is the 16:9 and it will fit for your YouTube channel. So here this, that's fine. So after generating all the steps, photo, video and everything, we passed the 3 steps. Number 1, story we got and voiceover done. Number 2, we got the background music which is done. Number 3, photo, we got it. And now we have to make the important part, which is the animation. Going to the Envato options, going to the video gen. Here is the video generation. And then here is 16:9. And we'll go to the video gen prompt, this one, copy and paste over there. Here is the option, you can select image, which one you prefer or you already generated. So I generated this photo, so selecting this, and after that just hit the generate button. So all of part we already done. What we have done already, a voiceover, then the animation, and then the background music and everything. Now we'll go to the CapCut Pro or whichever CapCut you have. You can go to that CapCut, go into the create options, and from there you'll go to that images into videos. So already we got this from the Envato, this. So all the clips we already select those things, and then we'll import the voiceover.
In a quiet little village.
So select that, this one. At first I'll make it into here, and after that the background music, and now we'll put the clips according to this voiceover. So I already make those things done.
In a quiet little village lived a curious girl named Luna, who loved watching the night sky more than anything in the world. One evening, she noticed something strange. The moonlight was dim, and the moon looked sad.
So here is our voiceover part, here is our background music part, and here is our clip part. So already I made all the steps in a sequence according to the voiceover, already made it, and this is the easiest way ever you have seen, because of I just given here the shortest path how to make this sort of video. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. Until the next video, ASM Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.